In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new column to Pipedrive, a process that can be completed in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're customizing your Pipedrive to better suit your workflow or adding additional data points for your sales process, following these steps will help you easily add a new column to your view in Pipedrive. Firstly, open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Pipedrive website. If you don't have it bookmarked already, you can simply find it with a quick search for Pipedrive. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to log in to your Pipedrive account. Click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to access your account. This should take you to your Pipedrive home, where you have an overview of all your deals, activities, and other key information. Now that you're at the home screen, you want to navigate to your profile. Click on Profile in the menu. This step is important as it takes you to the section where you can manage your settings and configurations, which is crucial for customizing your columns. Next, look for the People section once you're in the profile area. Click on it. By doing so, you will access a comprehensive list of your contacts, where you can start customizing how you view these records, including adding any new fields that you may find necessary for your business operations. With the People list open, head over to the Settings option. This is where you modify various aspects of your Pipedrive, including how columns appear on your lists. Clicking Settings brings you a step closer to tailoring your records exactly how you want them. Now, look for the option labeled Customize Columns. This is the key step where you begin considering the structure of your records. Clicking on Customize Columns will open a new interface where you can see the existing columns and also have the ability to add new ones. In the Customization interface, locate the Custom Field button. This is what you will select to begin creating a new column. Think of Custom Field as your tool for adding any additional data points, such as custom tags or identifiers, that could make your team's day-to-day activities more efficient. Once you've added or customized fields to your liking, be sure to review your changes to make sure everything is in the order you need. When you're satisfied with your customization, you can head back to your main view to see your newly added column in action. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom column to your Pipedrive setup, quick and easy. Now, as you navigate through your contacts and other data, you'll have a bespoke setup tailored to your operational needs. Thanks for joining, and until next time, happy customizing!